it. Should be coming back here. Be back. It says I have an excellent connection. Excellent. Couldn't be better. Okay. Are we good? Are we alive? Everything fine? Is YouTube real? It's looking good to me now. Jessica. Yes, is hiding from. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Panda. Okay. Quick recap. Twitch, YouTube, message, streamer bot, goes to Flash server, goes down to OBS. We're also going to have a game script over here talking to the same Flash server. Because, as you can see up here, over here, I have this scuff on screen. We used to have it so that your messages would make this scuff appear for about 30 seconds at a time, and then it would go away. And we have several of those, so you could stack them all if you just kept saying scuff, 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 scuff. It'd scuff my stream so bad. It would kill the bitrate. It's beautiful. After we do that, the problem was I had game scripts, specifically Mario Kart, where I wanted to scuff up the screen as well as an added effect to make it harder to race. And when I did that, they were both communicating directly with... Oh, they used to both be communicating directly with OBS. But if you do that, they don't have any clue what the other one has done, so they don't all when to turn off the scuffs and what scuffs have been turned on. Those weren't, it was untrackable. But if we have this nice server right here in the middle, we can keep track of everything. So they're both just going to be filtered through that, basically. That's the goal, and that's what we're reestablishing. Scuffs are coming back. Thanks for the confirmation on YouTube there, Panda. All right, so that's our mission today. If you were here last time on the programming stream, I was setting up WebSockets to communicate with my VTuber software, Realm Viewer. Here, hi, woo, double vision. Okay, what was happening there that I figured out was the problem? I still don't have a resolution for it, but I figured out what the problem was is the Socket.io stuff. Socket.io is a wrapper around WebSockets. So it has its own protocol on top of the WebSocket protocol. And basically there wasn't a C# module that used the Socket.io protocol that I liked. So we're just going to stick with raw WebSockets and resolve that later. And that's what'll get us back into Transform and all that other good stuff. But we'll have to do a classic, just raw WebSocket server for WebSocket connection. Because Socket.io is not going to work for it. Not a great option for C#, which is what Unity, which is what my Realm Viewer software is. There you go for the curious minds from last time. Today we're doing Scuffs because it's easy, it's simple, and I'm pretty sure we can knock it out. I'm going to descuff. Screen will go black. Everything will be fine. Don't worry. You're not alone. Okay. Wait, is my mic on that screen? Hold on, I want to know. Yes, okay, you can... Good, 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 good. Back to the music. Okay. You keep there. Does it... Yes, okay. Everything's good. Cool. All right, let's program. So, get to it. Let me get my drawings out of the way. Okay. The screen goes black. I lose the music. Yes, yes, that is intentional. That is how it should be. So, music should go away. There's really no need to go to that screen on a normal stream anyway. So, yeah, yeah. Okay, so what we are doing basically is I have ignore the comments. This is for the WebSocket stuff, so just don't. It's fine. What we're going to do is first make sure everything that we built before stays intact. So we have a Scuff Bucks tracker, which is basically the same thing as Twitch channel points. I'm going to enable that and run this. So we're going to run the Flash server here. It should run. We're doing good. Okay. It is continually giving out rewards. Did I tell it to do that? How fast did I tell it to do that? Reward frequency is every 5 seconds. Okay, intentional. We did it. We're doing it. Okay, so I'm going to turn on Streamer Bot here. We're going to enable this. Now, if you say anything in Twitch chat, it should come back with a message. If you are new, actually, let me see. Chat rewards, giving out rewards, giving... Okay, it has identified a panda judgment with your oops. Okay. So it gave points to panda judgment. It has done so. Known chatters giving out rewards and a judgment here and here. Hi and oops. Okay, perfect. Perfect. It's working. It should be working. And if we look over here, panda. Search. Panda judgment. You have 430. You went down. Now you're at 430. It is pinging between 430 and 420. Interesting. Save. Oh, it's just because it's reloading. Let me close this out and then open it, and we should be hopefully sitting around 430. 430. Okay. I don't know why that's happening. Very interesting. It's fine. It shouldn't be a problem because we have a lock on it when we make that change here. Inside save JSON. Okay, that should all be fine. I'm not worried about it. It's also all going to go away in the future. So let me try. Let's cancel this out. Okay. Is it not? Ooh, oh. I have to. Oh no. I made a grave mistake. Yeah. I didn't kill my thread properly. Whoops. First, I didn't start the stop listener so I can kill my threads. Hey! Hello, Dianosaurus. You are. Oh no. I've broken the system. It's trying to reward you things that don't exist. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Okay, our Scuff Bucks are going. Here, we are enabled again. Okay, hi, Dianosaurus. Thanks for stopping by. We are upgrading our stream. It's going great. Let's see. Let me try. I meant to clear out. So if I do this and then exit the stop flag. Okay, we exit perfectly. And then we'll get rid of myself. Let's see. Oh, man, I did it again. You're still enabled. Okay, I took myself out of here. And panda. Let's look for panda. Okay. Dinosaurs, you have not been logged, which is in your favor. Okay, let's run this again. We run this again, and We go to enable. Okay, I've enabled it on StreamerBot. If we say anything, we should get a confirmation message. So for example, I say this. We should get back I've been awarded. Oh. Oh, interesting. Oh, there's no key. Okay, I got a key error. Interesting. Oh no. Did it log me? Yes, it is, but it is failing. Let's do this again. Hello? Do I get... It showed... Did it show it... Did it say the % first time message reward? Yeah, that's the problem. Because it's failing. So we're getting this key error. Okay. See, we're getting in here. Ba-ba-bum. It says key error Panda Judgment when it's trying to add you into here. So, we can fix that. Plus equals reward amount, known chatters. We have globals here. If you're in here, if you're in bucks.key. Let's trash this terminal real quick. Hi. Oh, hi. Tell it hi. Okay, it says it's giving me points. Oh, but I'm already logged. Okay. I've already done goofed up. Okay. Get me out of here. Get me out of this thing. You know what? No one needs to be here. It's fine. Bam. Everyone's gone. Everyone's a first-time chatter. We're all first-time chatters here. Okay, so now if I say, yeah, if we say anything, yeah, now we're in the mess of thing. Okay. Why are we getting an error? So we have known chatters giving points to error here on first time reward. If we go to first time reward, that line 95 here. It doesn't like if it's not here. Oh no. I'm spamming the chat. Probably ban this spammer. Yeah, it's sending a lot. It's because that was StreamerBot. Yeah. So what's happening is I have StreamerBot here. When I leave this enabled, it tries to reach out to my Flash server. It doesn't get a response, and it just prints the message anyway. So I disabled it. It should fix it now. But we're here. Chatter isn't in there, so it should just... We just need to... Is this... Am I just adding it to a dictionary? No. You shouldn't have to use add, right? To a dictionary? Oh no. Am I already... Help. How to add to Python dictionary. We'll see. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm not that bad with Python. Come on. Don't want to do... No, this is too much unpacking. Literally. Okay. Huzzah. So I have right line 90 through from line 73. 73 should be the call just to see if you are a first-time chatter. Yep. It knows the chatter's name. You're getting here. It should be plus equals first time reward. Oh, it's plus equals. I see. If you're not in the... There it is. Plus equals means you'd have to already be there. I had an extra plus sign. Okay. Now, we are enabling. We are running. And... Okay, I need to cancel this. Let's back out. I need to clear out the bucks. Okay, now if we run this, you're gonna get a, yeah, Panda, you got the message. Okay, now you should be, yes. Dianosaurus got it. You got 500 Scuff bucks. I got the 500 Scuff bucks. Panda, you should be able to get the 500 Scuff bucks. If you say anything. Yes! Okay. And now a second message shouldn't do that, but you are going to be in the list of known chatters. So there's Dianosaurus in the known chatters. Point, yep. And you got points. So now, yep. So the message doesn't print. This is like your first time bonus, right? Like this right here. This is your first time bonus. And now you do get other points for continuing to talk. As we can see here, it's printing it out like this every time. The points are there, they're real. So let me properly turn this off real quick. So we'll unenable that. We'll exit that. Okay, so that really is a problem. Why is that sometimes... Yes, they are real, and they also do not matter at all. Correct. They will allow you to scuff my stream, which is the whole point. But why are we getting the file cleared out? If we do, let's see where save JSON gets called. It's the one spot. It's just in the chat rewards. Known chatters is that bucks equals bucks file name. Interesting. And here we open, we write, we close. Oh! Let's put this in a lock, because I think what's happening is... Yeah. See where chat rewards is called from. It's down here, so we have this thread going constantly. Give that a shot. Pull that out. It's like phase 10. Let's make a buck save lock. Okay, so now if we have this here, and we go to the save, where's the save? In our save JSON here, we do, oh, where's the, this, we want this. Yep, that should be fine. Okay, so we want to do all of this under the bucks lock. Bam. We want the bucks save lock. Okay, hopefully that fixes the issue we're looking at. Oh, thanks, Diana. Diana Shores. Thanks for dropping by. Have a good evening. Let's see here. We're gonna run this Flask server. Going to enable. Okay, so no one should be in here. If anyone says anything, should get the reward. Something. Hi. Okay, so I get saved there. Why does this... Interesting. Let's do a little print statement. No, I don't want to delete my okay. So if we exit out of there and we go to here and we just print info, this thing right here. Okay, if we print this, we should get a clear picture of why we're sometimes saving just a whole boatload of nothing. Good. Cool. I think I'm going to need... Yep. Well, it's fine. We can do it with a regular chat message. So the regular chat message here, we're going to see this blink back and forth. Why is it between the original and the new one? That is interesting. Let's get out of here. Let's stop this. Okay. We're a little sidetracked, but it's fine. So it's bouncing between the original amount, but there's only one place where save JSON gets called. Save JSON gets called here. Blocking box. When it does this, right, we have this. Pulls. Thank you. Kind of got a playlist playing in the background here. I'm glad you're liking the music. So what we have here is this Bucks lock here is going for if chatter is in bucks.keys, we're giving them the reward amount. Otherwise, we give them the regular reward amount. Oh, so if they're not in known chatters... Oh, we don't up... No? Global. Oh, okay. I have a suspicion. So right here, when we get inside this, Bucks is getting updated. It's getting updated inside of this right here. I wonder if I have to specify it inside of this scope here. Maybe to make it persistent? So the question we're trying to answer here is if they're in known chatters, we're going to give them the reward amount. If they're not in known chatters, we're just setting it to the reward amount. So that's the case for if we have a new chatter and it hits this before they get logged in the thing. But if they haven't, if they are, known chatters is just who's been talking, isn't it? Known chatter's an empty set every time. Save. Yeah, we're just logging every time we get a message. Okay, that's what's happening here. That's what's happening. Is if you've been talking, we're going to give you extra bucks. But if you haven't been talking, we just give you the reward amount. We're setting it hard to the equals sign. Oh, no, but that's if they're in bucks.key. What? Okay, hold on. We're still thinking here. If you're in bucks.key, you are a known. We can just do this. We're plus equaling you, basically. If you're not, don't exist, we're just setting it equal here. But if you're, let's look at first time again. You're not. Oh. Well, okay, now this is interesting. So if you are a first-time chatter, you say something, but while you're waiting here, the rewards is going off, right? Rewards are going off. Then we're adding you into here, and then this comes through and it says if you're not here, then you get the first. So how sure you get the third? Might need to keep track of that if we're doing this here. If chatter is in. Okay, here's another option. The first time you chat, you just don't get the extra 5. You just get the initial reward amount. That way, this will never not happen. And then this probably that might fix us. Let's this here. We're gonna save. We're gonna delete me. Save. Okay. So we're gonna run our server. We're going to enable, and then we're gonna talk here. Up here. Say hi. So we're a known chatter. We're getting rewards. Why did we get 505? Okay, but then if we look over here, yeah, we still got problems. Oh no. Yeah, it says we got it, but it's doing this flashy thing over here where it's saving and then it's saving nobody. It's saving what it originally was. So if I do, let's stop this real quick. Oh. For chatter and known chatter, I am interested. Let's print here. Let's do print. And we'll just add bucks here. And then print it again. We'll make it a post. Okay, so now we run this. This saved. Yep, empty. We're enabling our Scuff or our streamer bot. Okay. Now. Say something. Ah. Well, I obviously want you to do the string version. Did you not? Look, it's gonna be happy with this, but not the way I had it. I told it to be a dictionary in a string context, and now it's like, I don't know. Let's see, this should fix. Yep, it gave me 500 Scuff bucks. We were setting a Okay, let's see what it... Oh. Why? Why? Sometimes you are none, sometimes you are everything. Oh, I should, before... Let me re-enable that. Alright, I'm gonna say one more thing. And we should see here what it thinks. It's keeping track. It's just the saving's weird. One more thing. Yep. Okay, so here's what's happening. Or what we're experiencing. Our data management is fine. This tracks exactly as we expect it to. It's when it goes in to save, it sometimes thinks that this is... Oh, not first time. Where are you? Save JSON. When it goes in here, sometimes it seems to think it's nothing. Which it would have to be passed with info. Info, JSON dumps info. Yeah, so down here, sometimes Bucks is showing up as just nothing. Well, why? Let's have it print. Let's have it print. Here. We'll make this save Bucks. Okay, we're gonna run this. We're gonna enable. Then we are going to chat. All right, so right now, that is correct. Giving out rewards. We have save Bucks here. Then save Bucks. Why? But why? Why are there two? Why does it maintain two? All right. Okay. Up here. Can't see. One miss. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's all doomed. Oh, everything's gone. Oh no. It wanted to hide everything. This is bad. Get me back. There's my chats. Okay. Hi. We've mostly recovered. Let's see what we have here. Let's just stop that. We have this function. Blah. Sometimes it seems to think Bucks has its default values and others it has updated values. Why? Uh-huh. Yes. All right, we'll try that. Try that. I'm gonna move all our globals here. Put them up here. That's fine. Okay. Give that a shot. Let's grab Streamer Bot. Is enabled. Oh, it's amazing it hasn't been destroying everything. So we'll run this. Oh, we're still going. Oh no. That's why it hasn't been ruining everything. Okay, we'll try again. Okay, so now we should be able to chat. Go save. Okay, still doing it. Still doing it. Why? Why do you believe sometimes it flipping back and forth? But inside of here, it always prints it correctly. If I say something else, I go high. If I go high, inside of the post box, it should be 430, and it is. This will always be right, but why then does it save incorrectly? Why? All right, we're gonna cancel this real quick. Going out, this is backing out. Okay. So what's happening is Bucks in here, great, always perfect and wonderful and beautiful. And then we go to save. But we also have but the only time it gets called is from here. The only place save JSON gets called. And it's whatever's being passed. And it's being passed right here. When this is not modified, it's giving the original. So it's not preserving the changes when it leaves this function. That's what we've learned. Okay. But why? All right. We have info. We have info. I don't care about what you're saying. Okay. GPT. Listen. Okay. I have a global dictionary like that's modified in a function like so. Okay, so inside of here, we have global. This is where Bucks is, right? We make this declaration. While we have Bucks lock, right? Okay. We are doing for I in range, let's just say 0 to 5. Okay, we want Bucks at I plus equals I. Okay, we're just making up some fake stuff. It's fine. And then we want to do print. Oh, here. Actually, let's do this. One. Let's pass it a value here. Threshold. Okay. So instead of 4, we'll make it if. If threshold is greater 5. Like that. Okay, this is close enough. This is effectively what we're doing. Print. Okay. If Bucks gets modified because threshold is greater than 5, it prints the updated value correctly. But if threshold is less than 5, it prints the original values in bucks. If I pass a second value that's greater than 5 for a threshold, then it prints here. Actually, here. Let's actually we'll just call this. Okay, and we'll pass it 6. And we'll call it pass it 4. And then we'll call it and pass it 7. And we'll tell it my output is we'll set equal to an array. My output is here. We need to add. Okay. So we're here, and then say my output is value 6, value 0, value 13. The 0 should here. Output for line 2 for the second line is expected to be instead of we are. Okay, we're expecting a 6. We're getting a 0. Why? All right, tell me. What's my answer? The issue arises because you're reinitializing it inside the function each time it's called. This resets its initial value every time the function is invoked, causing the observed behavior. You should initialize it outside of the function so that it persists across. Here's how you can do it. Bucks equals value 0. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing, though. I didn't tell you to reinitialize it. Bucks value. ChatGPT, what's wrong with you? Use it inside the function. Yes. 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 That's what I'm already doing. Let's verify. We're gonna verify. You're gonna look real silly, ChatGPT. Okay, so inside of here, we have our function. Here, we'll do a side by side. Bam. Bam. Okay. Check this out. Check this out. Inside of here, the function. We have the global. We're calling the global. We are locking this sucker down. Bam. Inside of there, we are performing our modification. Right? Here's our modification. There's the modification. And then we print here. Right? Look up top. We are initializing it to nothing. Whoop. We have a threading lock. All right, just to make sure there's no tomfoolery. We'll do this. We'll do it. Bucks. Chatter. Plus equals. Word amount, because we already know it's in the keys. Here, it's guaranteed. It's gonna do it. All right, we're gonna play this. We're going to enable here. We are going to say something like, hi. We are a known chatter. We gave points out to us. We are now 535. Now it's still bouncing between 530 and 535. Why do you do this? ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Don't you try to fool me, ChatGPT. I know what you're up to. I know your games. Your silly ways. Okay. I have that, but the issue persists. Not persists, persists. What do we got? Yes. Find version of your code. Blah, help trace the issue. Oh, ChatGPT. Oh, you young baby of a programmer. You think I do not know the ways of print statements? I was born in the print statements. Let's see here. Let's just do one thing here. Let's where's the, we're loading it here. We load it first thing, right? App init happens. It is blocking. App init happens here. And Bucks gets loaded in. You know what? Let's lock it. Let's lock it down. We got a lock. Let's do it. With Bucks. Lock. Shouldn't matter, but we're doing it anyway. Okay. Run this. Let's enable this. Let's chat. Yeah. Go away for a second. Hi. Got here. I should be at a 535. We're at a 535. Don't you give me that 530. Why are you giving me that 530? Why are you giving me that 530? Oh, hello? There it goes. Okay, so problem here. Problem. Why we're doing chat rewards here. Starting the thread. We are in here. Rewards timer equals time.time. Happening once. Happens once. Known chatters gets cleared out every single time. It persists. I still think this should exist. It like theoretically doesn't matter, but I feel like it should exist here. This is where this feels right to me. Because we're reestablishing declaration. Inside the lock. I want to grab them knowing no one else is messing with them. No? Like, should it... It works fine, and it persists. It's like it's running twice. I don't understand it. Because, like, when it gets inside here, this is always the right amount. But when it doesn't, when there's nothing here, just skips over here, prints it out wrong. Why? I think... Did I have this here? Was it up a level? Maybe that's the... I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. It's all just the prequel for what we're actually here for today. Okay, we're enabled. We're here. We're at 5:30. Say hi, howdy, hello. We go up to 5:35. Recognizes it. There we are. We're at 5:35. Going back to 5:30. Go to 5:35. 5:35. 5:30. And to see you're at 5:15. Going to 5:30 because stuff. Good. Like, this part's persistent. It's persistent when you make the change. It's like there's two of them. But there's not. There's only the one. Huh. Alright. Alright. Let's close that out. Let's do this. Let's put one of those on there. Okay. So, we're back to the 5:30 and 5:15. So, let's just take this. That's not helping. Put it back up here. All nice and pretty. Oh. And then here. Nope, not here. Because what we should be able to see here is if we print... this is... free chat bucks. Right? So this is it before it goes in here. And we should see, for our own sanity, some consistency or inconsistency. If it's consistent, I don't know what to tell it. So we're going to run this. We're back here. Okay. We should go up to 5:35. Free chat bucks says 5:30. We go to 5:35. That makes sense. Pre-chat bucks is at 5:30. We go to 5:30. Pre-chat's at 5:35. Why? Why? Oh, you can't see my highlight. Oh, you can. Okay. Why though? Why though? Let's do this. Let's go back. Let's cancel out. Okay. Okay. So here's the weird part. Here's the weird part, right? I said something. It was giving me points. It says, here it is before I gave you points. Here's what I have. Okay, now I'm going to give you points. Great. And now it's saving that. Great. Here's what it's saved as. Then here, we come back. And it's not that anymore. We're back at 5:30. And then we save 5:30. And this is what it saved. And then nothing happened in both of these cases. And now it's back at 5:35. Then it goes back down. And then it goes back up. So in here, before we do anything, this is still getting out of sync. Which means... so weird. Why? Okay. Let's just look. Where's everywhere we touch box? Get it. Put it inside of it here. Put Bucks lock here, where we're adding known chatters. The route. Appinit's only called once. Verify that. Appinit is called right there at the start, but we don't come back to it. We're just here running Flask server. Appinit's called the once, where we load from the file. Load JSON should only be called once. It is. It's called right here. Okay. We have all of this. We already confirmed that save is in the spot, right? Bucks file name. Yep. It's just getting different values right here when it's just inside this loop. Is this Bucks lock used? Bucks lock is used here. Used when we log a first time chatter. It is used when we log a known chatter. Huh. All right. Well, let's ask. I have a question. Are there issues with declaring a global variable inside a? Let's rephrase. We're gonna rephrase here. I have a global variable when I reference it in a function. Is there an issue with making the global declaration inside a threading block? Example. Give me a reason. With thread block global stuff plus equals 5. Up here we'll make stuff. Okay, help me the error of my ways. Give me a reason. Not inherently an issue. It can lead to confusion and potential problems. Should ideally be declared to make it clear which fails. You say that. It can obscure the scope and intention of the code. Here's an imp. Does it though? Does that fix it? All right. We'll see. We'll give that a shot. Getting that. Alright. Go away. Okay. I mean, we can give that a try for sure. I don't see why that should affect anything. If anything, I thought it made it less reliable. If that is what I want. Okay. Now we've got all of our globals outside of our blocks. All of them. Okay. So we will run the server. We will enable. Here we are. You say hello. We should be recognized. Uh-oh. Why? Why? What's wrong? Why do you not recognize? Not recognizing the Flash server. Turn that off. I'm running the Flash server. It's going. Looks good. We're going to enable streamer bot. Gonna say hi. Yes. Okay, we're known chatters. We're at 5:35 now. Why do you go back to 5:30? Why do you do this? Okay. Let's see here. 5:35. Good. Okay, so word of mouth, cat rewards. I don't have to. Here, let's try something just for our own sanity. I am chat rewards. This should only be going off once. Just right? We must know. We must know. Okay. I am but how? But how? All right. That's the problem. That's a problem. Yep. That's fine. Yeah. Why are you getting run twice? Cat rewards. The only place it's called is right here. Save thread. Start. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to ChatG. Okay. Hey. How's it going? Python, correct. And in it, we have def, chat, rewards. In there, we print. We say hi. Then we have this. Get rid of that. Okay. The output is hi. Hi. Why is it printing twice? Tell me. Reveal your secrets. Yes. Class development server, when running in debug mode, debug true is set. It will start a reloader process which runs the application code twice. Why would you do that? What? This is done to monitor changes and oh, okay. Blah, blah, blah. Since the threading code is inside of the, it gets executed because it's in main. Prevent this. You can check if it's running the reloader process and only start your thread in the main process. Something tells me this is a Linux solution. You didn't even import OS. Shame on you. Shame on you, ChatGPT. Is this true? Could this be real? Only be called once. Run your application in debug mode. Interesting. Well, why? What's debug mode doing for us? That's my question. I just want to know. Let's see. Your default. Tell me. It's automatically reload for code changes and show a debugger in case an exception happened. False. So if I do this. Hi. Oh, wait. We have to enable streamer bot. Okay. All right, we're at 535. Right. Known chatters, it gave you points. 535. 535. You know, it makes sense now that this is printing half as slow because we cut out one of the threads. Here, huh? All right. Look at that, it's working. Okay. So options are that. I think we want to just cancel out. I think we just want to run it in debug mode. Like with false, because funky beat. I don't want this to happen again. I don't want it. I don't like it. We can go in and put that if whatever, you know, if running on the main thread or not, but there's no need to do that. Okay, so we're ready to start the stream. Let me turn off the Bucks. Everyone enjoy. Look, watch this. Here it comes. Stop this, and look, everyone's Bucks are still there. Your Bucks are there. It's always a quick little coding adventure. It's always, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So now that that's out of the way, we can get rid of this. We never want to see it again. Okay. This is good. That's all socket stuff. Let's get rid of all of our extra prints here. Oh, before we move on, a final thing, a final test. All right, everybody. Are you ready to become a first-time chatter again? Remember when we were young and first-time chatters? When we all just got on Twitch for the first time? Said, hey. All right, do it. Throw out a hi, throw out a hey in chat. Okay, we're first time. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There you are. For the first time. Say hi again. Yay! Yay. Okay. The points, they work. They're real. Hello? There it goes. Yay. Oh, I should stop. Otherwise, we're going to... There we go. We almost had a million messages. Okay, so now we can get rid of all this mumbo jumbo. We can get rid of that. Gobbledygook. All of that's gone. We don't need you. We want the giving points too. Let's keep the giving out rewards just so we can monitor it. It should happen once every minute when we do it properly. We don't need that. Okay. That's good. This is gone. We have new chatters now. That all works properly. Look at how clean our code's looking. Don't need to do that. That nice and tight. And skipping that. We don't need to print this every time we save now. Beautiful. We actually don't need this lock. I think we don't need it. It's fine. Okay. So, what we are here for. Scuffs. All the scuffs. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's look at our nice little tree here. We're going to add a folder. We're going to make it Stream Manager. And we have other code. Hold on. I think is where we are. This is our Twitch Plays code. We have a Scuff Manager. We have an OBS connection. And we have a Secrets Manager. We're going to need all of these for here. So in Stream Manager, we're going to make a folder. We're going to name it OBS. And inside of there, we're going to... How smart is this? So if we go here, here and here, paste this inside of here. Is that... Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. And then we're also going to go over here and we're going to pick up our Secrets Manager. This is all going to end up migrated here long term. And that can just live inside the stream part. Yes. Oof. Okay. This is our OBS stuff. This is our secret stuff. So what the Secret Manager does is I have files on my computer that have all the passwords and stuff like that in them, right? And this allows me to load them in here without having to hard code them so that you all don't see all my fun little Minecraft passwords, stuff like that. So if we run this here, let's see what we have. This should just have, yep, YAML and OS. So this should just run and print. Hey, there's ReneTheDemon. Look at that. Bam. Okay. So we know that that knows to look in the right place. And the reason that's important is my OBS is running WebSockets. And my OBS, don't worry, this is better than last time. But it needs the Secret Manager to get the WebSocket password for what I'm running locally on my machine. So there you go. Let's see here. So here we are. And this is just some fancy hacky code to get into the up a level down to Secrets Manager, because we're not running this as a package because reasons. So here it's just, we're going up a directory. It should just be there. It's just on the level up a directory. So we go up a directory and then Secrets Manager lives inside there. So that should reference it properly. There's our screen resolution. All of this should translate. So this lets me do things like set the settings of a scene or a source. We can get all of our scenes. This is what I use to do all of the effects on other streams that I do. So this is all just some good old-fashioned OBS connection code here. And we're going to leverage that to make our Scuff stuff, because the Scuff all exists inside of OBS, right? So Scuff Manager here should, so OBS is on the same directory as it, so we don't have to do any hacky stuff other than, well, we are appending though, it's unfileable. Okay, so here we are. We have a function that just says make a scuff appear. It knows how many scuffs we have by looking at over here. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Inside of here, we have a scene called Scuff. It's right here in the lower right. Oh, you can't quite see it. Hold on. There, down here, we have a scene called Scuffs. And if I click on it, you won't be able to see, but there's like 30 different sources inside of here named Scuff 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 30. And what we are doing is dynamically at the start, we are looking. Let's see, where's the Scuff, descuff, current scuff, clear scuff, scuff management, start scuff management. Inside of here, we look at the scuff scene and we get all of our scuff sources. So then we run the scuff management thread, which here we have a lock. We're doing more fun threading stuff. This should look at scuffs. We have a list of timers. If any of them have expired, we're going to hide that source and then delete it from the scuff timers, and then so on and so forth. It checks every second whether or not it should unhide a scuff or should hide a scuff. So this is kind of running in the background when you start scuff management. So what we will need to do is, because we need to start scuff management, if we go look at, I have my Mario Kart code. I think it's in here. Mario Kart 8, Mario Kart effects, scuff thread. So this is one where it tried to do all the scuffs, right? And we have scuff manager here, and let's look at where there should be a place. Yes. So at the start of our script, we start scuff management, and we're going to want to just full on rip that out of here and put that into our Flash server. So here, we're going to put that inside of app init. So we're always going to be wanting, every time we start this, we want to be scuffing, always be scuffing. So we're going to do this. We're going to start scuff management. It doesn't know where that is. So we have to do the fun little hacky thing that we did up here. Hold on. This. Whoop. And we're going to rename that so it's more easily, the naming convention is clearer than SM, because we have the secrets manager and the scuff manager. But here we are currently already in the base repo. We just want to add our current path. Let's tackle this one at a time. Okay, so this is our current directory. So let's do the, oh, actually we can just reference this full on because we exist in the base of the repo. I don't think we need to do any of this. I think we can just do stream manager .obs.secrets manager, except instead of secrets manager, we want scuff manager. Scuff M. Okay, we're gonna scuff them. Scuff them, boys. Okay, so down here, where's app init? App init, gonna be scuff them. Okay, so we're calling start scuff management, right? And inside of here, we have a function that we don't need to, the scuff function already takes care of turning on the scuffs. When we start scuff management, the scuff management this is the cleanup. This is the cleanup. This is what puts it on the screen, right? So in order to test that, or in order to make that happen, we need to add basically just something that will activate the scuffs. All we need to worry about is activating. We don't need to worry about deactivating them ever. If we hit the max number of scuffs, we just extend the life of one that's on the screen at random. So see here. right? Because here's the scuff lock, random attempts. It randomly tries to find a new scuff to do. If all scuffs are active, here we are extending the timer because we're picking a random scuff and we're extending its duration. Okay, so we can scuff all day long. So all we need to do is over here, we need to have an endpoint, much like we have here with Bucks. We just need an app endpoint that is going to do the scuffing, right? So we go here, and we're just gonna make it scuff, right? Okay, so what that also means is we need a way to not only scuff, but also subtract your points. This scuff here. Okay, so we'll look here. Before we worry about points, let's just do the scuffing, right? I also want to confirm in here, do we have our stop listener going? We don't. We probably want to add that. Because we have the stop listener here, which is a handy thing to have. So what we're going to do is in our scuff management here, we have a clear scuffs thing. This hides everything. Yep. Stop scuff management. Clear. Okay. Stop scuff management. So we have we're listed here. We have the stop listener imported. We can either make the scuff manager stop with the stop listener, or just stop when we quit. Think on this. I think we just put it on, let's just put it in here as part of it, because the stop listener is like shared by everybody. Stop listeners start. See what we did with stop listener here. I recently made an update to stop listener. Let's go look. Hold on. I did make an update to scuff listener in the old code. That makes it a little more robust. Go to, that's the wrong one. Here we are. Okay, if we go look at our stop listener, I added other options. And when you do that, it tries to set other flags. So you can give it optional flags that it will just trigger. So let's copy this over, actually. Go look at our other stop listener. This stop listener here is 28 lines of code. We're going to make it 32. These are the same. Double check. Yeah. Yeah, so all we're adding is that optional flag thing. So, for example, here, we're running, yes. Oh. Okay. So what's happening here is we can pass this when we start our thing, we can pass it other threading flags. Scuff Manager has a stop management flag. So when it gets kicked off, we can tell it to trigger this flag. Let's do that. Let's do that. So in here, we're going to pass it. What do I name this? Optional flags. Optional flags. It has to be an array, and we're going to do scuff them dot. Where are you? Reveal your secrets. Scuff management. Stop management flag. So when this runs, the stop management flag runs. Here, after this, we should be calling clear scuffs. Because this is what happens. We actually don't really need this function, but that's fine. Because clear scuff should happen whenever this flag gets set. Yeah. So let's do that. Stop management. So we're passing it that flag. So when we quit out, it should automatically just fix. It should clear off any scuffs we have. So now let's actually do the actual scuffing, right? So we have scuff them, and we're just gonna call scuff.scuff, I think. Yes. Default's 30 seconds. That's all we want. Scuff.scuff. We can make it last longer if we want to. Okay. And then we'll return. Give it a variable for response. We'll just success. Oh, I need curly braces. Tracking looks awful on my screen. How bad it looks for you. Okay. Bam. We're back at it. Okay, so no, my brackets. Okay, so if I run this, I still need to call. Oh, thanks. Thanks for the confirmation. We still need to call this from somewhere. We need to wait. All that. So we'll just hit it in our browser. Okay, so we're running here. We're running at port 5000 on localhost. So we're gonna. I'll just go in here. Should be able to go localhost 5000 and then hit scuff. Scuff. We got a scuff. Holy cow. So then now, if we cancel out of this, if we go out here and we start setting our flags to stop, it should clear it out. It did. Yay. Okay. Let's do one more thing just to test it. So we have here, we're going to scuff them. We're going to duration. We're going to make it 5 seconds, right? So we're going to save this. We're going to play. Okay, this is running down here. We're going to go scuff again. Going to reach out. Here, it's trying to reach out. Blah, 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 blah. And it's scuffed. It's scuffed. Yes. And then it went away after 5 seconds. Yay! Okay, so let's cancel out of everything. We'll close our server. Good. Okay. So, fun thing that's also happening is when the scuffs happen, this is just part of our scuff manager. It is moving the 30 scuffs. Whichever one it picks, it'll move it, give it a random rotation. It'll keep it on the screen. So, like, they'll always look different. And we can add as many scuffs as we want with our current setup and not have to change a thing is coding-wise. So, that works. We just need to now make it so that you can scuff with your points. Which means when you use your thing, you have to actually spend points. So we're going to do that. So we have all of our stuff to give you points, but now we're going to do the same thing. Here, let's do... Copy this. We can get rid of all this. We don't need this. And we're going to make a Scuff Bucks redeem. And we're going to send it a chatter. We're going to send it a value. Okay. So what's going to happen here is it's going to make sure you have enough points to cash the check that you want to write. Right? So let's keep that at 5 for just a second. Make a note. Change duration. We can make this more robust later by allowing it to pass a duration. So if I want to do specific things on a game, change that. But we're going to leave it default for now. So Scuffs, redeem chatter, value. Okay. Inside of here, yep, we're looking at bucks, but we're not doing all of this. If chatter is in bucks.key, then what we are going to do is look at and bucks chatter is greater than or equal to value. And otherwise we're going to do minus equals value. So we're going to subtract the number of points if you have the amount of points to do it with. So, and then we'll make a, yep, let's make a value here, redeem equals false. And here we're going to set it to true. No, not true. Not no. We want redeemed. Redeemed. Not the value true. There. Okay. So now this will just give us a true false on whether or not you were able to redeem it. So inside of here, we're going to do if scuff bucks redeem chatter value. We need to pass. Oh, hello. Oh, hey, hi. Thanks for the ray. We are programming. we are updating our. I have custom VTuber software. Say hi, me. Thanks for the raid. Hey, I made my own VTuber software. I'm trying to make it so that we can do some cool things by having you interact with chat. Here's a quick little preview of what's happening. I'm taking your chat messages. I'm throwing them into StreamerBot. I'm running a web server on my own computer, and we're going to send that over to OBS so that you can do cool things like make Scuffs appear on my stream and mess with my avatar in real time. You get the control. So, I've had them existing as separate pieces for a while, where I've had game scripts and chat messages able to do things, but never at the same time, and we're trying to fix that. So that's what we're programming here today. Thank you for stopping by. So, what we are doing right now is we have the Scuffs going. We just need to make sure you have enough points to redeem them. If you have enough points, oh hey, thanks for the follow. How's everybody doing? How is the stream? Oh, nice, doing it in Godot. I have considered migrating over to Godot. But I know there's a lot of existing Unity support. That's probably something I'll explore someday. How's it going for you? What features you doing? Working on? You adding? Always curious. Good to find fellow VTuber programmers. We're leaning a little more on the OBS side of it today. I think at some point Godot will be a good option for me to building an open source toolkit. That will be interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go look into that for sure. That sounds great. I need to pass these in to here. Specifically for building the, oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I think we're in a lot of the same space here then. This is exciting. That's good. Let me do a little else here real quick, and then we can test this. I'm gonna copy this. Ooh. Giving me all the fun people to go look up. I thought I was so alone. Okay. We should be able to scuff here. But we need to pass it stuff, so we need to get set up in StreamerBot. Oh, we are many. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, always happy to check out people. I've learned most of my setup via Fofamit like 3 years ago on YouTube. so I'm sure the space has evolved. Here, StreamerBot, here we are. Ba-bam. Okay, it has been a minute. Can we duplicate? We can duplicate. Yes. Yeah, Fofa. So let me see if I can get you all to scuff my stream here real quick. So we're gonna scuff this. We're gonna throw over here. We're going to the scuff. We're just throwing the user in. Time do nothing to break. Let's do edit this real quick. Pumpkin days. Awesome. Is my switching on? Oh, my switch. Oh, hey. Yeah, here. Just to give you a little taste of something else I do. This is we're doing the special programming stream. I usually do like game challenges and stuff. I have a let me get my regular Scuff bot going. Here. Bam. This is my regular setup. So I have this going, and you can hit like exclamation point power. Let's see if it works. Bam! You can change my avatar. You can do... I can completely change via the power of chat. That's currently disabled while we're migrating to this new setup, but hey, you know, it's all here. Exclamation point power is also ba-bam. Could be, yes, I'm all rainbow. I have another thing going. Let me see if I can... I think do I still have the... Yeah, I have cooldowns on it, just so people don't end up ruining my processing speed. So this is a little outside of my norm in that I don't have this enabled for the entire stream, but that is my normal setup. I have a third avatar. Oh, wait. Let me see. I can do this. I can get this going. If I can prep this. Bam. This is my third one. Like a shadow possessing something else. And all of my movements are tracked onto two models at once. Yeah, my Unity program. Okay. Yes. So. We like trying new things. Oh, I didn't even... Here, let me show you the power here. Yes. Ah! Static power. So, got lots of stuff going on here. Bam. Okay. Let's get demon form. Oh, here's a fun thing too. Fun fact about my demon form is my fire is not a baked animation. That is purely a noise that is constantly being rendered. So like this is synthetic natural fire. Same thing with the cinders curling on or crawling across my hair. That's all real time rendered. So it's fun stuff. Happy to see the community is growing. That more people are making cool stuff all the time. Love it. I love it so much. I'm so happy to see so many people enthusiastic about it. That's amazing. I think, let's see, as Scuff Rene. Let's see if this should work. Okay, we're passing it in there. In here, I actually don't want to pass this value. We're just going to assign value equals 5. Oh, wait. I need to set the... I need to set what the actual trigger is. And I don't want it to just be any message. Can I do commands? Commands. Oh, no. No. That's not what I want. How did I get to message? System? I've set up exactly one other section before. So let's see here. It's under core, isn't it? Core? No. Oh, Twitch. Duh. Twitch. Chat. Can I send the message? Where's their connections, general? I wanted to do like exclamation point something or other, right? Because we don't have channel rewards at the moment, which is where this would be useful. I think what we're looking for... We're on chat mets. Okay, I think we have to do the processing on the server. So, what that means is I need to send the message. I am guessing here. Is that... Okay, so let's try this. Is message the right... There's not great documentation on this. Fabled channel redeems that are needed for everything. Exactly. That's why we've made Scuff bucks. Here, let me not have this on here for just a second, because like that's the whole purpose of this, is if I hit the go button on this and then enable this one, if you say anything in chat, you should get a first time chat reward, and it gets saved into my little bucks file over here. And like every 5 seconds right now, it should be dealing out extra points. So like this should go up whenever so now I'm at 520, all that good stuff. So, you know, if you can't get the channel points, you make them yourself. But we do need that. Yes, you have points. So what I'm going to be doing here with this is I need to send over, not on bucks, on this one, you need to send over whatever your message is. And this will receive the message. And we're going to make this more efficient later. But we'll just do an easy... If message equals exclamation point scuff and you have points, then it should redeem here. I don't know if that's going to actually reload. So now if we click, we're reloading here. Okay. Yeah, you will be getting points every 5 seconds right now, so you are definitely being fed points. You can see number go up in real time. So I'm going to try enabling the scuff. I Don't know if this will work. No. Oh no. Oh no. We've run away. We've run away. Let's see. Who's our favorite instigator right now? Let's see, giving out rewards, chatter message. Here, I've made you all disappear. I'm sorry. Come back to me. The chat has swallowed you. The streamer bot. Oh, I need to disable them. It's still going. Oh no. Oh no, it can't be stopped. It's freezing. It's going. Oh no. Ban the spammer. It's me. The spamming's coming from inside the stream. Okay, it's safe. We're back. We're back. Okay, we should not be, let's see. We should not be flying by. Oh goodness, hundreds of messages. I can't even scroll. Look, I'm still scrolling. They're still coming in. Okay. It should be safe. Yeah, that's one way to clear the chat. Okay. Missing 2 required arguments, chatter, and message. It doesn't like how why is it still going? No, why? Why? You're not running. You're not running. Stop. How is it doing it? Look, I promise it's not here. We're not. We're good. We should be fine. I hope it's safe. My streamer bot. Okay. It was still probably batch processing that on Twitch's end, is my guess. And that's, yep, definitely the backlog. You got it, Yuki. Let's see here. So, I think it was unhappy with, it didn't like scuffing or the message. I tried to set, oh! That's because I didn't get it from the headers. Hold on. We got this. Oh, goodness. All right, and then we move message. Duh. Yes, code, not only that runs and you don't know why, but starts doing hundreds of things a second. Okay, and now we don't need anything in here. That's why it was unhappy. Okay, so I do need to preface this with the shocking warning here. We're gonna try this one thing at a time, so your bucks will not go up at the moment, temporarily. We're going to run this. It should play nice this time, and then we're going to enable the scuff. Okay. Scuff is enabled. So now, if we do an exclamation point scuff. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But it's not actually scuffing. All right. We gotta calm that one down. Okay. So, what is it's giving us a 200. Yes, it is turned off. So it says you've scuffed Rene. Let's do a little check here, because first time message is not here. We changed it to scuff, I think. Yes, here. So if scuff dot status, or no, what was the? I'm sorry. I apologize. Windows is angry. Here, response. That's what I named it. If response equals success, then we should continue. Otherwise, we're going to break. So if it works, it should print the message. If it doesn't, No, 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 no. You're not gonna do a got him on me. You're gonna do a scuff mode in here, in my own house. Okay. So here we're coming in. If it's exclamation point scuff, let's do the classic print. Because I wonder, right? So this is the header name over here. This is the header name for message that we're sending, but I don't know if this is actually the actual right value in StreamerBot for that. We'll find out. But inside of here, we're just gonna print it. See what we get for message. Let's do the fun interpolation way. Okay. So now we should print our message here before we do anything. And I can't guarantee that this won't spam it. Well, I say we can't guarantee it won't spam it. I never apparently stopped it last time, so there's that running. We're gonna enable. And now if we throw in an exclamation point scuff. Okay, it didn't print. Okay, yeah, yep. Okay, so oh, I found the problem. Check this out. Look at that fun little typo. Look at that little typo right there. Message. All right, we're enabling the scuff again. Okay. Do we scuff? I don't understand. So, okay, the message exclamation point scuff did come through. Let's see, message, but it didn't go in here, right? We didn't scuff. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna cancel this out real quick. We get to do the fun print stuff. Let's just make sure. Right, because that's what is. We got a confirmation here. This is the scuff. Yep, and it says we scuffed appropriately in the chat. Did it subtract? No. So it didn't actually get inside of here, which is fine. If you go here, message, scuff, print, scuff, matched. Because there's a, maybe we need to do a dot trim. Let's give that a shot. But we'll try it raw. And we'll see. Okay, enabled. Stream is going, or the server. We're scuffing. We match scuff. Okay. Oh, we scuffed. We're scuffed. You can scuff me. Come on. Yeah. You can scuff to your heart's content. Woo! Yeah. Okay. So now, hold on. Let's get a proper scuff party going. Let's get a proper scuff party going. Okay. I'm gonna temporarily disable it. All right. And here's what we're doing. All right. The scuffs are gonna last their default amount, which is 30 seconds. Everyone's gonna be getting points. Let's turn the points back on. It's in here. It's in here. I promise it's in here. Where did I put the points? Oh wait, no, the points are active. There's the redeem. There's where you can earn rewards. There's where we process that. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's working. It's going to last 60 seconds. Or 30 seconds, sorry. And you will earn points when you talk. When I enable it. And the trick of it is every time you talk, every 5 seconds, you get 5 points. And it costs 5 points to scuff me right now. Let's make it 1. Let's make it 1. Why not? You know? Let's have a good time. We're gonna get rid of this extra print statement just to keep the log a little cleaner. And I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna run over here. And then on this, here's where you earn points for saying anything at all. And here's where you can scuff me. So now, yes, now just throw your scuffs in the chat. Do it as often as you like. We have up to 30 scuffs to hand out here. But even when those are redeemed, you can still keep scuffing and they'll just keep lasting longer. It's great. Look at the scuffs. Embrace the scuffs. Yes, the scuffs are back. They're so back. Oh, this is gonna kill the bitrate. It's beautiful. I love it. This should be available basically every stream from now on. Oh, this is great. Yes, yes. All right, yep, and they're disappearing after 30 seconds. That's great. Hooray. Okay. Beautiful. We're scuffing away. Okay, the other part of this, so the whole reason we did this is I run game challenges, right? Where I have random stuff happen. So for example, I had Mario Kart and I was playing Mario Kart and one of the effects was that it would activate all 30 scuffs just going all at once. But because we didn't have this server in the middle, there's no way for the streamer bot to know or the game script to know which scuffs were active. So now we have this basically acting as our intermediary. We can make it so our game scripts can call this over here as well while you are simultaneously calling it, and everyone can scuff me. So we're gonna give that a quick little shot. This should be the easiest and quickest part. We can actually leave the server running while we're doing this. It's beautiful. So what we can do is go, oh, this is the old scuffing. Big scuff. Yep. We have become big scuff. we have industrial levels of scuff over here. So we can go over here and let's make a game script. Just like, so here's all the fun games we've done. We go over here, we're gonna make a new one and we're just gonna test server over here. Test server .py. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you on ChatGPT because it's fun. It's hard to scuff now, or say scuff. Well, I mean, you know. So over here on ChatGPT, I'm gonna do it just to show how simple the code is. I have a server running on port. We're scuffed. We're scuffed. I love it. Scuffing every day. Every day I'm scuffering. On port 5000. I want to send a message to not a message, a web request to port 5000, or not to port 5000, to /scuff in a Importantly, in a Python script. We're getting scuffed. Okay. How do chat GPT? All you need is requests. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at how easy this is. Damn. Okay. And then blah, blah, blah. If you need... Oh. Send a post request instead. Nah. Okay. I think I may have done a small lie. I'll tell you why. So we're going to go over here. And we're going to throw this in here. Okay, so we got requests. Our URL is, in fact, localhost Scuff. We're just done. It's just a get, right? So this is fine, but we'll make it fun here. And we're going to do... Well, these Scuffs are hanging around. Let's do for I in range... Well, 0 to 10. So this should scuff me 10 times. Right? Because it's going to make this web request 10 times. The problem is I have to cheat. I have to do a small cheat. Because... Let's go over to the test, the actual... Hold on. This thing. I do have to shut it down very temporarily because I have to make a new endpoint where it doesn't have to actually redeem it. It just has to do the scuff because it's not points related. It's just we want the API version. We just want only programmatically doing this. So we're not checking about points. The computer doesn't need money. It's too powerful. So here we are for... We don't need to do any of these checks here. We're just scuffing. Bam. So theoretically, this always works. We don't need the duration. Okay, so if we do this and we go over here... yeah, if I had to pay my computer... it would be unhappy with me. You saw all the messages. You saw. Okay, so we're going to this one. I do need to reload the Flash server. So hold your Scuffs. And when I clear this out, it should clear all the existing Scuff. Oh no. We are left with perpetual Scuffs. It'll be fine. I know how to fix this. Okay. So we'll run this. Okay, it should be good to go again. You should... Oh, no. Okay. Yep. There's a little backlog. It's fine. It'll be fine. It has to pass. It'll be okay. Oh, no. Wait. Hold on. Let me stop streamer bot so that we don't get lost forever. Stop it. Okay. Here's what happened. We have an error. Oh, it's because I didn't change it. I didn't change the name. There we are. Bam. Okay, so now we should be able to run this. And now we should be able to enable our streamer bot. Streamer bot's enabled. The messages should stop. Here, there's for reference. Yes, I got throttled by my own chat. It said I was sending messages too quickly. Oh no. Wait, I'm still sending messages, aren't I? Oh no. But why? I have scuffed Renee. Why do you say that? Why am I scuffing me? Uh-oh. What has happened? Good. I think we're good. I think we're... Why am I getting so many hits on the Scuff? Oh, it's just doing that for every message. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now that we're scuffing, here's our test. This should scuff us 10 times. We'll watch it over here. Scuff me. I should add more print statements. Processing. Okay, we got one. Oh, this is not fast. Oh, this is not fast. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I know what we can do. We can launch these in threads. Let's thread this. Okay, here we go. Import threading. Yes. Yes, this will make it so much faster. Okay. So we're going to make this a function. Ultra scuff. Okay, so inside of here, all of this is getting shoved inside of here. And now we're going to do thread. We'll do scuff thread. I'll get this, make this bigger. Scuff thread. Scuff thread equals threading dot thread target equals ultra scuff. And then we just do scuff thread dot start. Okay, so this should launch 10 of them real quick. So let's give this a save and give this a run. I didn't put the print statements in again. I should do that. Let's just do this. Print. Yes, yes. Now that, whoa. Interesting. Let's print I here. Let's see here. We want to do that. Okay. Let's see. Does this work? So I'm going to pull this up here and it should send in 10 pretty quick requests. Yes. And it's going to get responses. Ah! And then it exits. Yeah. And then we should be able to scuff 10 more times. Yay! The scuffs live on. The scuffs live on. Awesome. Well, I call that mission accomplished. Okay, so now we have it to where you can scuff me. You can scuff me. My scripts can scuff me. It's all being fed into OBS. It should all be canceling out on its own. It's beautiful. It's lovely. I think in my regular here, we have the scuff management flag is there, which should cancel us out if we stop the thread. But that means we can make these calls from games now and not interfere with your ability to make everything scuffed. So the only thing we have left to do to preserve all of the current functionality I have is get the WebSocket server between Unity and this Flash server going. That's something I'm probably gonna have to research in my own time, just because all of the easy answers here use Socket.io, and there are no great Socket.io libraries in C# that I've found. So we'll definitely be looking into that. But yeah, I think that about covers everything we were looking to accomplish today. So I'm happy to have the Scuffs back. I'm so glad they're back. Let's add in a couple print statements just so we know that Scuff's been actually redeemed. We could make this a little more robust, because right now every single message is being sent to this for this particular check right here. And we can have our own command function that's going to just get everything. That's probably going to be best. Thanks, Freb. You go fix it, Freb. Is that you go by Freb or do you fix it? Scuffma. What are we doing here? Let's throw this in here. Let's do a print just so we're not getting these like wine 200s, so we can say Scuff redeemed. And then we can also let's do the little, let's make it its own endpoint. But let's do this real quick actually before we call it quits. Make a message route. And inside of here, we're going to get chatter and message. And basically all we're going to do inside here is we're going to basically end up with a bunch of checks on if you're able to do this right here. So if you're using an active command, right? Then let's do, actually, think architecture here. Let's think Freb, yeah. Yeah, awesome. Oh, okay, so if we could make like a dictionary of commands, which might be good for maintainability. So if we do like commands, we make a dictionary and we have like, for example, Scuff, and then make Scuff. I was trying to think, can I do that with just this and pass in the values? I put out a print message too for the Scuffs. I want to make sure that's happening properly because, like, I know it'll be 30 seconds, but they're hanging around, aren't they? But let's get, where's our Scuff here? Scuff manager. Hide source. This is where it hides the source. So we can do a print. Hiding Scuff. And then we can add in the source here. That way we just kind of have a tab on what's going on here. For here, let's not worry about this right now. There's probably a way to do that better. But what we want to do in our message block here is we have, I already have one named message. Oh, that's a problem. Route. Okay. We'll make this process. All right. Thanks for stopping by, Freb. Really appreciate it. It's awesome to see more people out here doing cool stuff. So, and excited about this stuff. Thanks. Hey, I appreciate that. Yeah, the Scuffs have been gone for a while, and I'm so glad to have them back. Thanks for popping by. Have a good evening. Good morning. Good wherever you are. If message is Scuff, we're gonna call Scuff with the chatter and just the chatter, and stop that actually. Then we can just go like, ooh. This. No. Don't need any of that. Okay. If. Sure. That's a cozy looking email there. Okay, Scuffbucks redeemed. This should all theoretically work. if we get to a process message and then we go in, we're going to save this. We're going to go into streamer bot. We make an adjustment here. Turn this off. And inside of the Scuff one, we're actually going to send this to process message. And that's all we need. We'll name this resp. Instead, we're going to make this a little more generic. And if resp response is success, then we're going to print this Twitch message. Yeah, that didn't clear out my scuffs like it should have. Interesting. Scuff. Okay. Yeah, they're not going away. We'll fix that here in a second. Forever scuffed. Forever scuffed. I wanna be. This is looking good. Process message. Send in user and chatter and message. We're gonna scuff it if it's there. Scuff them if you got them. Let's cancel this out. Okay. Let's go. Oh. I'm gonna clear out some scuffs. Here, I'm live. That's just. Now we should be scuff free. Okay. So here we are. Okay. I was descuffing. Okay, so we're gonna click a play here. And then we're gonna do this one here. We're gonna enable. Okay, so now every message should get sent to the message processor. So if we do scuff, exclamation point scuff, it redeemed the scuff, but did it? Ah! Oh no! Oh, it's because I don't. Wait, why? But why? But why? But why? But why? We flew. Oh wait, there's the scuff appeared. Process message did not return. Oh, I didn't return. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What a fool I've been. Oh, it hit the scuff. Okay. Okay. I've been such a fool. Here, I need to return. I need to return. Here's the response. Response is currently nothing. There we are. Okay, and now we're going to return. Here. Okay. It's real. It's fine. It's good. We're good. We're good. So we should be good here. Bam. And now we're going to enable here. Yes. And now we should be able to scuff. Okay, we got a scuff from Panda. It showed up. I'm becoming very active. The scuffs are working, but the message response is a little touchy. Oh. Let's stop that real quick. Let's disable the Twitch reply. So here, we don't need it to send a message. We'll just turn that off. And we'll do the same thing here. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this on. I shouldn't be talking anymore in chat automatically. You should be able to scuff to your heart's content. And it should just happen but we won't see a message come back. Scuffs hid. We like that. There's the Scuff. Scuff 2. Scuff 2. There it is. Perfect. Perfect. And we are seeing here, we're giving out rewards. Scuffs are getting redeemed. Excellent. Excellent. Look at this. Whew. Okay. I think we're up and running. Whew. Awesome, awesome. Then I think we did it. And we're hiding Scuffs. Okay, so here's the question. I should be able to, I'm gonna throw on one more Scuff. So we have it going, right? Process it, post it. Here. Because we could put this activation in a thread and that'll make this way more responsive. But before we do that, what I want to know is if I cancel out here, so I should be able to stop my Flask server. Let me cut off the streamer bot just so we don't get spammed. And then I should be able to hit Shift Delete and hide them. But it's not. And it doesn't like... Interesting. What did we do here? In threading... In threading, keyboard interrupt. Yeah, that's fine. The lock. It's when I set the stop flag. I wonder if it's not liking that I'm passing it the thread event here from this module. We have the stop management flag here. I think let's try something. Let's make it a little less robust for just a second, just to make sure that it is what I think it is. So we're gonna just do this like normal, and let's do inside of chat rewards. We're gonna cheese this a little. Chat rewards. Get more real estate here. Chat rewards. Inside of here, because this already has the while SL running. At the end of it, when we're not running anymore, because we hit Shift Delete, we're gonna do Scuff 'em. Stop Scuff management. So this theoretically works the way we want it to. Disappearing for 2 seconds. We're gonna de-scuff. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. It's gone. Silas is overtaking us. Oh no. Oh no, okay, we're back. Everything's fine. Okay, so... so this should stop the Scuff management manually the way we expect it to. And clear the Scuffs. So let's try that. Let's try that. And we shouldn't need that. Okay. We're going to run this. We should run prettily. And then we're going to enable our streamer bot. Okay. Scuff should work. Oh my goodness. Well, you have a good night, Yuki. Thank you. Thank you. I think I'm wrapping up here soon. So I really appreciate you joining. Appreciate all the chatting going on. It's been fun. It's fun meeting people that are in the space. So I'm just so excited for that. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good day. Okay, our Scuffs are around. We're scuffing around over here. See if we get another one. Go in. Okay. Oh, it's up there. You can see it. It's poking out just right there. It's just barely on the screen. Let's get some more. Scuff them up. Scuff them up. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now if I hit the clear on this, let me disable that. Okay. This And if I shift backspace, it cleared it. Yay! Okay, so let's rerun this again. We're still running. We're gonna get back to streamer bot. Streamer bot's gonna be on. This is the final challenge. This is the final boss. Okay, we're here. We're running. And now, when we go do our test script, this one right here, this should just flood us with scuffs. Bam, 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 bam. Come on. 10 scuffs, 10 scuffs, 10 scuffs. Not seeing the scuffs. There's the scuffs. Oh, it was down here. It was down here. It was hiding. It's peeking on the screen. Okay. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. So we got all of these. Yeah, threading this will make it faster, but we're going to call it good if this works. Okay, so now... oh, I guess we'll wait for all 10 of them to process. Got 1, 2... Yep, okay, so this canceled out. Okay, so now we should be able to Control-C and Shift-Delete. Uh-oh. It's a work in progress. What's going on with the thread here? This thread, probably specifically. This scuff management thread, my guess. We're dying for some reason. Scuff management flag. Clear scuffs, clear scuffs. Goes in here. It. Oh. Scuff lock still is. We got scuff lock. Stop listener is still. Yep. Shift delete. Trigger the stop listener, which is in our chat rewards here, because it won't be running anymore. The stop listener won't be running. And then when that breaks, we're going to stop our scuff management. When we stop scuff management, should scuff management. Gonna set it so when it is set, it's gonna pop out here, just be done. Stop scuff management is the one that sets that. Then clear scuffs after that, so it should pop out of here. Do this. I'm gonna wait for this to finish if this is already in here because of the scuff lock. There's a chance this goes here and then it goes here. Scuff timers.key. That should just be it. Oh. Here's setting stop flag. Exception ignored in module threading. This is all right. We're gonna do something dangerous. Something dangerous here. We're gonna get dangerous. We're gonna set this to true. We're gonna double up on our threads, but it's fine. We're gonna hit play. We're gonna be running. Double points, everybody. So now we scuff. Okay, we got a scuff. And then when I hit Control C, hit the stop flag. I don't know. The operation was attempted that is not a socket. That's because of... I'm not sure what that's because. Oh, that's because of OBS. Okay. gonna take her with us more at another date. We are much progress made here, so that's good. That's good. Let me get this back to a more working state real quick. We're going to go up here. Let's get that out there real quick, just in case. We'll leave it open. All right, we'll pin this down. It'll be fine. Looking good, though. All right. Well, again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the chatters. Thanks for all the people checking it out. Really appreciate it. It's such fun working on this stuff. Normally I do game challenges, programming based, most of the time, and we'll have something fun next time. I usually program about once a month, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll have something fun next time. So thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Bye.